it's Lou here, and welcome back to my channel. And today, I'm going to be doing the Time Slime Challenge. I don't know if that's called that. It's like when you set a timer for like 2 or 3 minutes, and then you try to make slime. Yeah. So, and see if it goes well or bad. So, I'm just going to set the timer for 2 minutes. Okay. Oh, we're going. Okay. Oh no. Oh gosh. Okay. No. Okay. Oh my gosh. What am I? Shave grip. Okay, whatever. Oh gosh, I'm gonna make this. Okay. Oh gosh, just gonna say this. I'm just making it white. Come on. Okay, I don't care. Okay. Just gotta go. I only have one more. That was a lot. Okay, whatever. It's okay. Just do it. Oh gosh. 30 seconds. Okay. Oh gosh. Okay. It's sticky. Nope. Not ready. Oh gosh. 20 seconds in there. No. Oh gosh. Okay. Whatever. Crap. 2, 1. Okay, whatever. My hands are just a little... Oh gosh. Okay. This is not very good. Kind of stitchy, but okay. So I'm gonna do some ASMR. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and comment on my videos. And peace out. Like, peace out.